What up, y'all? About to wipe the Harley down a little bit, man. I ain't gonna wash. I'm just gonna do like a quick little wipe down. I'm about to go ahead to this bike show. Me and my buddy gonna ride out there, see what it's like out there. I don't know how big this is. I don't know if it's a big bike show, like a little small one or what though. I'm just gonna at least wipe down a little. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna use, man. Let me put a little bit of this on the front right here. I like the this right here, man. This helps get the bugs off, and it helps keep them off a little bit too though. So I'm gonna spray some on the front, wipe it down. The front of my fender right there. Wipe that down. Get some of the bugs off of it. Then on the ride, when I ride back, might well not want that many bugs hit it. But for the rest of the bike, I'm gonna be wiping it down with this stuff right here. I love this stuff right here though. If you don't really feel like washing bike, this right here will shine up pretty good though. I mean, your bike can't be filthy dirty though. Like, you can't just be just came out of a rainstorm and your bike's covered in dirt and you expect it to wash it. But I mean, I wiped my bike down not too long ago, like a day or two and whatnot, so it should be all right. First thing I'm gonna do, man, I'm gonna take my trunk off though. I ain't gonna ride with my trunk tonight though. We ride without the touring pack, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take that off, man, then I'm gonna start wiping it. I'm gonna show y'all a little process I do. That's just a little bit right there, yeah. Camera don't really do no justice, man, but she's shining though. Y'all can see this thing in person, what it did look like. And I literally wiped everything down to end up wiping my rims down with it, shine them up pretty good. See a spot I missed, you can see what they, I don't know if y'all can see some kind of how dirt it is, how much dirt right there. Had to go back and wipe, I forgot to get my crash bar. Everything else though is shining Now that bug be on, it don't get all the bugs off. Like if it ain't stuck for a while, I think them bugs been stuck for a while though. I actually had to wash and scrub, get them ones off. But for the main part though, she right though. She good enough to take out there to the car show though. I mean to the bike show. Just waiting on my buddies to pull up now. About to roll out. Made it back to the crib, y'all. Pour the bikes in here. Old Black Bandit made it back, but we was out there zooming on the way back through. It's gonna be it for the night now, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. Go.